What's the best way to explain why global warming happens? Or why people cheat on their partners? Or why some people are successful while others aren't? To explain these things, we use a cause and effect essay. A cause and effect essay explains why certain actions, situations, and behaviors happen. The essay can start with an effect, such as success, and find its causes like education, talent, or a good family life. Or the essay begins with its effects, or begins with the cause, and describes its effects. For example, wealth inequality and poverty leads to crime, and this is why. The ability to compose a well-structured cause and effect essay will lead to your future success in English and science and social studies and other subjects as well. Here's what we're going to do today. We are going to be looking at a cause and effect essay, first of all, by learning about how a cause and effect essay is structured. We're going to be working towards writing a 5-paragraph essay with an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. You'll notice this grey box has no exercises, but we'll come back and look at that a little bit later. Next, you'll see we're going to read an example essay. The essay is called Effects of a Positive Outlook on Our Lives. It has an introduction, 1 body paragraph, 2 body paragraphs, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Next, there are the exercises. The first exercise, task 1, relates back to this essay, and you'll need to use the information in the grey box to help you answer the questions. First, you'll highlight the hook in yellow, the background information in light blue, and you'll highlight the thesis statement in pink. Where can we find what those things are? Hook, background information, thesis statement. Next, you'll highlight the topic sentence of each body paragraph in light green. Topic sentence is explained in the body paragraphs part. The next part, task 2, asks you to focus by identifying related effects. When you're writing a cause and effect essay, you've got to make sure that the causes and effects match up. So you're going to read the sentence in bold and then the supporting sentences, A, B, and C, and select the one that doesn't fit. Let's do the first one. Being a happy person can benefit your life in many ways. A happy person can make friends more easily. Is making friends a benefit? Yes. C, happy people can solve problems effectively. Is solving problems effectively a benefit? Yes. There are many happy people all over the world. Is that a benefit to me of being a happy person? No. So I've highlighted this one in yellow because it doesn't support the main point. We must make sure our supporting information supports the main point. You can stop now, if you like, and do the same thing with 2, 3, and 4. The next step, we're going to look at connectors. How can we connect causes to effects? I'll leave you to read this part on your own, and I'll explain it. If anyone needs some help, they can come and see me. These tasks will relate to using connecting tools like because and since and due to help you combine parts of sentences together. Let's look at the first one. There have been many advances in air and space technology. We are able to travel greater distances in less time. I want to connect these sentences using the word because. I'm giving you 2 examples. Because there have been new advances in air and space technology, we're able to travel greater distances in less time. Alternatively, we could write, we are able to travel greater distances in less time because of new advances in air and space technology. The thing to note is, after this because dependent clause, we have a comma. But when the dependent clause comes after the main clause, there's no comma. There are 3 more examples like this, 2, 3, and 4. Next, you'll use the same information to introduce a noun phrase rather than a dependent clause. The same situation applies. And there are more exercises to that effect. Ideally, you'll get all of this done today so that on Monday we can come back and we're going to start looking at how to write an essay on why you should learn a second language. I'll be giving you guys the thesis statement, and you'll be choosing from a range of topic sentences for each of your body paragraphs. So some of the hard work and thinking has been done for you. You'll only need to support these topic sentences. Not all of them, just 3. But we'll worry about that on Monday. For now, first step is to go back and either read the questions first, and then the grey box, and then the essay. But I'd recommend read this essay first, Effects of a Positive Outlook on Our Lives, and then use the grey box to help you answer the questions in task 1. Any questions, problems, or comments, come and see me or Tanya.